Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to use VLC Player to convert any media file, any video file to MP3, and this is going to be a short one. So without wasting much time, let's hop on the PC and then start with the tutorial. So first of all, we will launch our VLC Player, and then from here we will go to Media, and then we scroll down to Convert and Save. So from Convert and Save, you see we have a plus button here, so you just click on the plus button and then you browse to the location of the video file, the video that you want to convert to the audio. So for mine, this is my video file, this is the video I want to convert to the audio. So I'll just select my video and then you just click on Convert and Save. So when you click on Convert and Save, right here on Profile, you see we have a list of file type that you can convert to, but our main focus here is to convert the video to MP3 file. So we just select audio, that's MP3, and then we browse to the destination, that's where we want to save our converted file. So for me, I will just choose the same destination where my video is, but the most important thing that we have to take notice of is the file type. So with the extension, right after typing the name of the audio, you just add .mp3. This is very important, because if you don't add it, it's going to give you a problem. So you just select you just add .mp3, the extension, to the name of the file, and then you click on Save. So after clicking on Save, then you click on Start to start the conversion. So you see that the blue radar will load, and after loading, it will tell you that your file has successfully been converted. But then I think I have another one there, that's why I'm getting this notification. So I'll just close it and go to the destination. This is where I saved my audio, the test folder. So you see I have two files here. One is let me go to View, Medium Icons. Let me use large icons so that you can see well. So we have the audio here, and the video here. So now I'm done with the conversion, so I can just open with my media player, and then you hear the video being converted to audio. Thank you for your time, and please, if this really helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.